Doing some back road driving here tonight. So since I had the truck video last, I had my 35s on. I switched her out to the 38 Boggers. They're a decent tire. They're just heavy, and with that fifth gear and 308 gears in the back and front, obviously my fifth gear down the highway is absolutely useless. So I'm running it usually at fourth. I can do about 60 mile an hour, no problem. It doesn't struggle. If I do use fifth, it sure does come down. It does not want to hold it. It's kind of poor. Other than that, the truck's been running real good. I haven't had any problems with it, so to say. Maybe an exhaust hanger. Actually, there was an exhaust hanger broke off on my exhaust. Simple fix. I welded it back up. I also put a roll bar in it. You know, nice and rusty and trusty, goes with the rest of the truck. Picked that up a few hours away. Went and got it, bolted it in. Haven't hooked up the lights. Maybe I'll get that done. But otherwise, it's been running good. I've been doing lots of trips with it. I put on lots of miles. I know people usually ask the fuel mileage about it, and I got it figured to about 14 or 15 miles to the gallon. Now that was a mix of highway and lots of back road gravel driving too, obviously. Not just straight highway. And that was with the 35s, the 38s. I don't even want to know what it makes right now, but whatever. So in the future, I think I'm definitely going to have to be, you know, re-gearing this bad boy, either 373s, or I got a set of 373s laying around complete diffs. I also have a set of 342s. I don't know, probably should even go steeper than that. The other truck I used to race, my Square, I ran 513s on it with these 38s, but I just feel that's too ridiculous, so I won't be using that, because I do like to everyday drive it here and there when I can, do my back road driving. But yeah, otherwise, it's been really good. No problems, like I said, to speak of. Besides, I got a service engine light, and it is a lean code. I did put a new mass airflow sensor in there. That was original to the truck when I bought it, and my O2s are original, which I have to probably change. I might do that next spring, and possibly another set of intake gaskets. These LS engines with the plastic intakes and plastic intake gaskets like to throw lean codes, but I might be able to squeeze an extra few miles to the gallon out of her if she ain't running lean all the time. I clear the code and it's just right back, so I gotta dig into it and see what's going on. I just never got the chance. It runs decent, never leaves me. You wouldn't know any difference besides the service engine light on the dash, but it's been a real good machine. Like, it's been crazy. The 6-liter swap, the MV 4500, just, I can't speak enough of it. I'm not a big standard guy. I don't like standard transmissions usually, but this works really well, this combo. And, you know, with 35s on it, and obviously BF all-terrains, they're a little bit less noisy than these bad boys here. But, you know, those BS and those 35s and the way this truck is set up, it's really good. I have no complaints with the overall setup. I'm only running one fuel tank too at the time. I was hoping to rig up a transfer pump and transfer from the passenger side tank over to the driver's side, but otherwise, yeah, it's running excellent. I put quite a few kilometers on it, did lots of trips, never let me down. It's a real good build. If you're thinking about doing this to your Squarebody, I suggested an LS swap. You know, they really make this truck a lot better. I love my old Square. It's great, and with that LS in it, 6-liter, it's all, like, it's amazing. That's all I can say. Hit the key, it goes. Doesn't matter the temperature, no pumping, no whirring. It just runs great. And yeah, I'll probably be switching back to the 35s here, just so that I don't destroy anything. The last time I had these bad boys on, my wheel bearings were all good. I checked it, and then I put on my 38s and I made a trip home, or took off the 38s, put the 35s on, made a trip home, and then all of a sudden this wheel bearing was on fire. It was not pretty at all. That's amazing. It melted everything. Oh, better go get some water. So yeah, that's probably the latest update to it. I'm still cruising it. I don't know how far in the winter I'm going to take it. It hasn't snowed here yet, so I'm going to milk it out as long as possible. And yeah, I don't know. If you got any questions, comments, you know, answer below or comment below. Don't be scared. I answer questions. I've you know, help you out, whatever you need. I can answer the best I can. And thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.